and in this bulletin we dive deep into the Somnath controversy and also the political war that has erupted because of it. Now, during Somnath Swabhiman Parv, Prime Minister Modi claimed that the forces that oppose the reconstruction of the Somnath temple in Gujarat after independence are still active, and India needs to remain alert, united and powerful to defeat them. Modi also reminded that history of Somnath is not that of destruction and defeat, but of victory and renewal. Here's the news report.
दुर्भाग्य से आजादी के बाद गुलामी की मानसिकता वाले लोगों ने उनसे पल्ला झाड़ने की कोशिश की। उस इतिहास को भुलाने के कुत्सित प्रयास हुए।
Even after 1,000 years, Somnath still stands strong. It is a testament of Sanatan resolve. Thousands laid down their lives to save the temples from Islamist invaders and tyrants. Subjected to loot, plunder and destruction, this symbol resurrected from the ruins. Prime Minister Narendra Modi during an event highlighted that repeated attacks on Somnath were not just to loot its wealth, but attack the entire Hindu civilization.
हम जानते हैं सोमनाथ की रक्षा के लिए देश ने कैसे कैसे बलिदान दिए थे। इन्हें कभी उतना महत्व नहीं दिया गया, बल्कि आक्रमण के इतिहास को भी कुछ इतिहासकारों और राजनेताओं द्वारा व्हाइट वॉश करने की कोशिश की गई।
Prime Minister Modi claimed an attempt to whitewash history post-independence and blamed Nehru for sidelining the Somnath.
जब सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल ने सोमनाथ के पुनर्निर्माण की शपथ ली, तो उन्हें भी रोकने की कोशिश की गई। 1951 में तत्कालीन राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद के यहां आने पर भी आपत्ति जताई गई।
BJP has also flagged past letters of Nehru which highlight that how India's first Prime Minister was against reconstruction of the Hindu temple raised by Aurangzeb. In several letters, Nehru wrote to India's Foreign Secretary and gave instructions to Indian embassies explicitly prohibiting assistance to the Somnath Trust. Jawaharlal Nehru went so far as to write reassuringly to then Pakistan Prime Minister Liaquat Ali Khan, clarifying that India is not getting back from Afghanistan gates of Somnath temple looted by Mahmud of Ghazni.
Even after independence, Nehru, with his prejudiced Hindu-Virodi mindset, virulently opposed the reconstruction of the Somnath temple and the revival of its glorious legacy. We have a stellar leadership which has ensured Bharat's dharmic revival.
After this massive political showdown, Congress hit back and claimed that Somnath temple was rebuilt when Nehru was Prime Minister.
आजादी के बाद तो देश की प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी नहीं रही, इस समय तो नहीं थी, फिर भी जवाहरलाल नेहरू की जमाने में ये सोमनाथ जी की मंदिर निर्माण हुई। इसमें कोई सियासी तरीके से कोई ना जाए, ये हमारा मांग रहेगी।
As the political mudslinging continues, nation remembers the 50,000 Hindu devotees who laid down their lives to protect the temple from invaders. With Piyush Mishra at Somnath Temple, Bureau Report, India Today.